When you have a small EnGinEeR at your home, the condition of your laptop can be like this. All the keys of the keyboard can be opened and stored in one plate. First of all, collect all those staffs.
There is nothing to worry about. I will fix it.
Today I will tell you how to reinsert the keys of the keypad. Take 2 pieces of plastic lock, which was under the key. Then place the small one inside the big one. One side of the smaller one should be up and another side should be down like crotch. In this way. It should stay like this. Then place it on the keypad. To understand which key was in this empty space, let's open the laptop and open a new text document. And pressing the key we can know which key was here. Then put the key over there and press. Continue same method for other keys. Now you can see I fixed all the keys of my laptop. Let's check.
Well done. Yee! Now I am an engineer. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.